Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use message to reveal on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have opened my Instagram, and first of all, I'm going to create a story on my Instagram. I'm just going to click on this plus button and then select story, and I'm just going to upload for instance this photo, this one. Okay, and if you want to use the message to reveal feature, you need to go to the sticker and then select reveal. Okay, and you can type in the message to reveal. For instance, I'm just going to type in guess what, like this, and then the story will be blurred and people can see it after they message you. And then you can click on done, and before you upload the story to your Instagram, you can take a look at the preview. Just tap on the preview, and this is how your story will look to anyone who hasn't messaged you to reveal it. Okay, once you're ready to share it, just click on the your story, and then the story will be uploaded to your Instagram. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use message to reveal on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.